I start? Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, everybody, welcome
Mr. Gorno, would
to
you
the
go
announcements.
to 128? Mr. Gorno, 128.
Okay. It's lab today. Thank you. Today we're going to be extending what you've been learning about respiration. So the name of the lab is the effect exercise with carbon dioxide on your body. You need to start thinking when you do this lab of the labs that we did before. If you want to consider, we started out with food energy, right? Okay, and on Friday we set up a simple calorimeter, and we went ahead and we set the walnut on fire. Mr. Walnut. Okay, there we go. And that's right. Maybe not. It took a while. Anyway.
I have a quick announcement, please, and these are students that have to go to room 126, perhaps not now, but in the next class change. James Villalobos, Zachary Berman, Felicia Demetrius, Ashley Cardinal, K2 Dempsey, Elizabeth Amaro, Dylan Hall, Van Lee, John Rosenbeck, Jennifer Toop, Rebecca Brothers, Anelli Dawn, Maya Poe, Kelly Kawawu, and Chelsea Reese.
Okay.
Attention, staff and students, good job today. We are back to regular scheduled classes. We'll do it all again tomorrow. Great job, 10th graders.
Okay. As you can see, the marshmallow, which has less energy than the walnut, went out first. Okay, so this is combustion. This is physical burning, not what happens inside your body, although we can eat these foods and you're going to be able to get energy out of it through the process of cellular respiration. Okay? Look over on the windowsill, okay, and we had in our school colors. Okay. Okay, we took yeast. We took a random amount of flour and sugar, I mixed it up, and you got various degrees of success. They're not as inflated as they were yesterday. Why? What does that remind you of, a different lab? Diffusion, yeah. Okay, so the balloon actually acts as a semi-permeable membrane, just like you saw in the dialysis tubing. So think for a moment. Look at the board up front. You're going to design an experiment. So we're just kind of doing the lab things today. So you're getting a sense of what you can do. When you're doing this, I want you to think about the yeast anaerobic respiration lab and think about what it is you are doing today and see how you can design an experiment. Think about that, talk about that with your partners as you're working today. Okay, so here is the mini lesson. It's all about energy. And a quick look. Okay, to summarize what we did. Okay, respiration, it's all about energy, like I said. Mr. Walnut, okay, we set him on fire. Okay, he burned for a long time because there was a lot of fat, some protein in there, more energy overall. And we saw it with all the heat and light. Yesterday, we set that up. Okay, yeast, it's a fungus. It goes through anaerobic respiration, which means without the oxygen. Doesn't provide as much energy, and we actually are really good at producing energy in the form of ATP, stands for good. Okay, and I didn't draw you there because I'm going to show you just what you need to do. Okay, so let me show the objective today. What you're going to come out of the lab is you're going to be going through 2 trials individually. Okay, you're going to be measuring, it's a general relative amount of carbon dioxide that you produced either at rest, just like you're doing right now, just hanging around, or after you exercise. Okay, so let me show you the lab setup and what you can expect you'll be doing today. Every lab's set up right here. Okay, everything's on a tray. I have already measured your Erlenmeyer flex. There's 100 mLs of distilled water in each of them. 2 for each person. Okay, there is a brown bottle dropper, and this has sodium hydroxide. Okay, and this has phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein is an indicator. The sodium hydroxide is what gives you a chemical reaction that will enable us to determine the relative amount of carbon dioxide that gets produced. Okay? When you are handling these guys, you have to wear your goggles. Okay? Have to wear your goggles. All right? If you're just bubbling the air in, that's not a problem. You don't have to be wearing the goggles. So everybody, you need to kind of keep track of your own straw and the directions. You're going to read the directions, okay? You need to bubble in for 1 minute, okay? So when you're taking a deep breath, whether you've just finished exercising or not, you can stop it as you need to take a second breath. Stop it with your tongue, take your breath, and then exhale back into the water. And that way it's a continuous bubbling for 1 minute long, okay? You're going to follow the directions. I want to hear you reading them out loud. A certain number of drops of each of the compounds, and you have to go slowly though. In the end, you're looking for a persistent pale pink. Your flask should not look like this. Okay, too dark. Pale, pale pink. Okay, and I'm going to let you read it along. Relative amount of carbon dioxide in this lab is going to be determined by how many drops of sodium hydroxide you end up using. Conversions and math are on the paper. So, what do you turn in? You're going to read, you're going to fill out this data table, the calculations, and I'll be by to help you out with those. Okay, and then towards the end of class, we're going to compile the group results, your averaging for each of your groups, and we'll put that together. You have a couple question sets to answer. This is more content-based, and this one is all about the lab narrative. You're basically telling the story of the lab. Why are we doing this? What did we do? And what was the end point? In that, you need to think about, well, how am I going to design an experiment from this lab, if you want, or from the yeast one? Your choice. Okay? So, a couple of techniques. Bubbling, I gave you that technique, how to do that. And then the exercise part, so that you don't trip. I'm going to have you not run in the hallway. Okay, maybe just outside the doorway, depending on how crowded it gets. But you can jump up and down. You can do jumping jacks as long as you don't slap each other in the face, or you can run in place. But it's going to be pretty vigorous. I don't want to see this kind of thing because we need some carbon dioxide to be produced. Why would you be producing more carbon dioxide with exercise? Taking more oxygen because you need more energy overall. Okay? All right, so when you go in the back, okay, you only have something to write with and your paper, no backpacks, no jackets, please. And let me see, are there questions?
Jose Rodriguez, come to the main office, please. Jose Rodriguez, sorry for the interruption, everyone.
Questions? Take a quick look. All right. Oh, one last thing. Last item on the materials. It says watch the clock second hand. No, you can't use your cell phones. Yes, you can use the clock up there, or one of the tables. I can give you my wristwatch. Does anyone have a wristwatch with a second hand on it? No. Okay. Okay. The table 1 or 2, I'll give you my watch, and the rest of you will do table 1 with my watch, and the rest of you can look at the clock up there, and I'll move the whiteboard. Does everyone know what they're doing? Let's have some serious fun. Go. Get to work.
Yeah. We get to watch.
Yeah, I know. All right, guys, make sure you got your jackets off. Excuse me, Dom.
Okay.
Roll those sleeves.
22. Measure and add.
Wristwatch here.
You?
Yeah.
It's usually
You'll follow me? No. That's why this is great. So what do we do? Exhale.
Measure and add. We already have that. Exhale. I need a straw. Where are we doing it? In our own lever? Miss Volain, are we doing it in our own lever thing? So that we go to sword.
Yes, everybody gets a straw.
Oh, this is for after. That's for after.
Yeah, so each of you get 2 of the Erlenmeyer. So when you're done, there should be cake in there. You can press this one.
Okay, starting to blow in this.
You knew? No, 1 person at a time. Okay, read the directions out loud. Okay.
Measure and add.
It's measured for you.
Wait.
Wait, how long?
Oh, do it now, right? It's after. So,
Attention, everybody. Technique here. Oops. When you swirl, you put the drop in. Swirling means this, okay? You don't want to shake it, just in a circular motion, and that'll do the mixing once you put your sodium hydroxide in. Okay? Go 1 trial at a time, 1 person at a time. Pardon me?
we're already doing 1%. Like, if I'm doing 5%.
It's just because you need to have the drops. I only have 1 bottle of sodium hydroxide, so we need to capture your immediate carbon dioxide release. So if you're all doing it, the carbon dioxide is diffusing out of the water. Okay? So 1 at a time. But how long is a minute? You have to use that. I want to come.
I got a camera All right, you guys have 30 seconds. Oh my God, it's only been 30 seconds.
It sounds great.
It's like a fish cake.
Okay, I see all of you are bubbling at the same time. You're going to have to move fast with the chemicals.
What, you guys
Not
stop.
too fast.
You have to keep going for more. Dan, stop, Dan.
I was waiting, because, like...
Okay, quickly with that.
Quickly, which one?
Phenolphthalein, the clear one.
All right, can you guys come us?
Hold on, wait, let me do the thing. Go. That one?
Okay, this table. Next round, you probably want to go individually, okay? Because you're bubbling that carbon dioxide in, it's going to come out just as quickly. So let's see what kind of results you get. I have one paper.
Can you come us?
Okay, after the phenolphthalein, we had the...
Yep, read the directions.
It's not even pink anymore.
Well, you got to keep swirling.
All right, so, can I go first? Sure. Let me know when to start.
Oh, I need to put more.
Oh, it's so pretty. Well, that's what's going to happen.
I need to put 5 more.
It says 9 drops?
James.
It says to add 5 more.
James! You want me to do it? All right, I'll do it.
James, come on.
All right, James.
Right, now I get
James.
Let me tell you something.
Wait, how long are we doing for?
It looks like you got to come out.
It's weird. Why does it get dark now?
Why does it go on? Reactions.
Watch for it.
Go. Yeah, bro. Got it.
This is just what do they mean?
I don't see a pill.
You're handling the chemicals. Goggles handing down.
Yours is so
It's disappearing. I can't get it.
Mine is gone now.
Keep going. Keep adding.
5 more.
Keep adding the sodium hydroxide.
How many?
Yeah, I don't know if it's enough though.
See, but hers evaporated, so hers more pink.
Why does it keep going away?
You got it.
That wasn't 3 because it didn't run out. Squirrel.
I'll tell you when to start.
Stop scrolling. Stop. It's not good.
So, after I've done my address, so the next person I have to
Do all the address.
It's done.
How many drops?
Wait, no. Stop. It's gonna make it go away.
Okay,
It's going
yeah.
away. Did you swirl it?
It's done.
Keep going.
The volume.
We have to wait a minute now.
Freaking disappeared.
Why does it keep disappearing?
Wait, this should just be water.
That's fine.
But how can we measure the volume now?
It's all right. No, just use it.
This way.
Yes.
How are we supposed to know the volume?
Measuring the volume.
We measured like 5.
And there's a conversion. There's a conversion for the Take the straw out. The straw should have been taken out. After you did the
At rest.
That's me, mate.
All right.
15
So Rachel was down to.
Oh, no. Miss Volain,
Yes.
I forgot which end of this I put.
I'm going to give you an instruction.
Oh, alright.
Table 1, I'm going to say this again. You have to do one person, one trial at a time, because you're not going to get great results.
Oh my
Alright, hold on.
4, 3, 2, 1, done. Let's go, make some pink.
Oh, that's mine, you know that, right?
Miss Volain, can I get Susan's paper towel? She's spelled again.
Yes, go in the office there.
OH.
These glasses are too big for me.
Yeah, mine's...
Okay, so 20 drops.
So you're using a straw.
Damn.
If
15
you put
times
the
20.
straw in there,
Can I do it now?
Okay.
Yeah,
This isn't right.
So,
Can somebody freaking. Alright.
wait, am I like unexercisable? I think I have bad results.
No, I have bad results. I got 20.
keep swirling from mine.
Alright,
So
you
this
want me to
is
leave
not
the way?
accurate now. I need 100.
Are you ready? Don't put cards in. Now.
when your face is near the chemicals and condoms, how many?
55 seconds.
No, it's
Persistent.
not.
Whose is that? Carbon dioxide. Yeah. Now you'll exercise and see what the comparison is. That's persistent. That's staying. Yeah.
So we're good?
When it persists, it means it's good. So it's good. So this then you can put aside. Did you do your at rest?
It's your fault.
Nope. Go do it at rest, and then when you're done, Mackenzie.
Can you watch the clock? Alright, I got 2, 1.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
When do we start?
3 seconds. 2. We start exercising. Stop.
Hurry up.
10 seconds. 4. Is everybody done their at rest?
Ow.
Okay. Put these to the side. Okay. If you think you got it dirty, one person at a time.
Give me 5 of this one.
30 more seconds.
How long do we exercise?
Read the directions.
It's like the third time you messed up. I'm in
Tyler, come on, Tyler. All right, ready?
I need paper towel. All right, yeah, please. Your paper towel. In there.
Hey, do you have a straw right now?
5 seconds. 1, 2,
Darnell.
Okay.
Add 4 drops of this.
Yeah, you're
Tyler, you ready? Go ahead.
Yeah, well, like,
Do 4 drops of this.
Tyler. Vigorous, Megan. Faster. Don't watch her. Go on, start exercising. There should be 5, 7 people up there.
Okay, now do 5 drops of this.
Yeah, 45 seconds, ladies. I wouldn't burn so Yes. Go, Dominic.
Dominic, pretend you're riding a horse. 30.
Why'd you go?
Do it. Start it out like this.
you're on my copy.
Miss Maverick outside.
Go to the hall.
No.
Come on, don't fall.
What they're doing.
Add 5 more.
You can jump up and down.
Can we take our goggles off? I don't know how long you is.
You are so not wrong.
This is so
Right
fun.
now. Come on, Spinky.
This is not a spectator sport. Get up there. It's probably your turn.
Look at the clock. Need new straw, miss. You guys can send me up to
Who stayed there without me figuring it out?
I did. It just went out.
30 seconds.
Pete. Hold on to yours. Ready?
20 seconds.
Not too hard. Ready? Go.
20 seconds. 10 seconds.
Just like that.
5, 4, 3, go. Okay, I need to blow something.
I didn't say
I need to blow something. This is new straw?
Last
I
one,
didn't
not.
dump that one out. Miss, I didn't dump that one out. I just dumped it.
You have to put it in.
Gosh.
Go on, Field. Go on.
What am I doing after this?
Go on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go on.
Start looking at some numbers.
And stop.
I'll get you some. 15.
We have to do
You
all.
guys have
Waiting. We're not. How many people have to put it?
Is this supposed to go up or down?
How many drops together? All together?
Mine is like a really pale pink.
trigger now.
How many drops for the pink? Of this one, you put in.
We were supposed to put in 10 total. Of that one.
No, there's not a supposed to. It's whatever you need it to do. You're waiting for.
Oh, for it to turn pink? Oh, okay.
You need to put this in as you go along. You're forgetting. What's the question?
No, I put in.
You guys.
How many? Well, that's kind of what you're trying to figure out. So.
This is
We'll
30.
see. Okay. Should there be
16?
more carbon dioxide produced
20, how
after
much?
you exercise? Yeah. So.
It should go down.
How many drops you put in?
The amount of
27.
hydroxide.
27?
Okay.
Oh,
How many?
29.
That's pretty pink.
Yeah. Well, yeah, 29.
No, I wouldn't, that's pale pink, that's for mine. Well, maybe.
Give my pencil.
That's the white.
Wow, why did I need so much?
Yeah, that's like right in a circle.
Okay. You do don't do the tray.
Why did I need 29?
Hold on, Dan, let me do it.
Who's doing, where are you guys now? You're here. Okay, so move on and start your exercise.
Alright.
Okay?
I'm on my
That's pretty
pencil.
easy.
Get everything ready. You have
Becky, you on next?
Am I?
So we're gonna go exercise. Come on, guys. Oh, I'm sorry.
So we had 3 of these and then.
No, I really wonder when.
4 of those and 7 of those.
You all right?
Yeah.
Faster.
Come on, Mom, you do better. Come on, our seniority is supposed to be able to play 80.
I don't do something that's an ROT. Yeah, we don't. Me either.
I'm
Still
going
do a lot more than
these
normal.
things.
That's better. You can dance.
Track, I'm there. This is fun of a track. Billy Beast we took together.
Do the jump and shuffle.
We need one of those things that goes
Right. My cat is
Come on, James. Come on.
Yes, James. I am.
Another minute.
Keep going.
Starting now.
See, it's not easy.
Exercisers, when you get back to the lab, put your goggles back on.
Go, Dan, go.
So, Lane, where's the straws at?
Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Great, go. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I'll time you.
Alright, come back. Take whichever one. That's how you do it. Oh, you can do it? Yeah. Oh, straw.
It's not easy.
Straw.
Here. Wait, you gotta go back and exercise some more.
Because it's done. Lost it.
Stop, go back. Here, take your straw.
Keep going, Dan. I'm not in 10 or 15 more. Oh, keep it going. How many did you take? 35. Alright, 5 more, Dan. You got like 10 more seconds. Alright, stop. 4. Now you have to put 4 of these. Do you want me to? Doesn't it like whisk it and then you have to do these? Alright, now mix these now. Mix up.
My goggles, maybe.
I feel almost slip.
I'm like tired.
Jason. That was 4.
2,500. That's 20,000. 5, 6, 7, 9. What are you doing?
Oh, snap, I just got my straw. Right.
I really don't want to exercise.
What's supposed to happen now?
Push up.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take
Now we gotta do that all over again.
All right.
Now I have to do that all over again.
Okay, where are you at with this? It's okay. Good. 16 drops. Okay, and then you spill. This is after exercise.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm gonna get you another I know. You're gonna have to exercise again. Okay, so somebody else can go and learn it.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Dan, put this in your pocket.
Is this what spilled?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. I'll do something.
Alright, I'll turn it. Alright, so we'll stop right
Go now.
Stop it from blowing everyone.
Stop is on.
See, I was helping before.
Now it looks delicious.
No, it's getting hard. You jumping jacks.
No time you.
Well, yes.
I got it. I'll pack it up. You ready?
Go. Can you just step a little bit away from me so you don't hit me?
I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not doing it.
What are you gonna do? Run in place? But jumping jacks are better. Shave your mustache.
Yeah, 'cause it's gonna get pimples, you know?
Yes, man.
I don't have one. It's just they have with you.
Really long arms.
I mean, these. What are you trying to figure
Okay.
5 seconds.
Alright, stop giving him tips. Yes, Vicky. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dude, I want a t-shirt.
Teach me how to what?
How do I get the t-shirt?
Go on, you gotta sell 3 stuff.
Go get ready.
3.
I have to. Change. Five.
I think Holly wins the prize for most
If you do it, you're gonna
energetic.
No, this is too crowded.
Oh, I have a helmet.
That's even worse.
Okay, I got it.
That's the filming area. Go. That's not.
Keep going.
This I gotta do is straw. It's not enough time. It's only half.
That wasn't very vigorous.
Don't worry about it.
That's my straw.
Like, if you're gonna swirl it next time, okay? Cause I
She was not.
remember that 30. Grab one.
Don't breathe.
Alright, right?
I'll do 2.
Go, yes. No, I don't want to.
He's got to record. You recorded everything.
No.
All right, get ready.
No, I'm holding on myself.
You got 5 seconds.
See?
Nobody's paying attention to you.
Go back over here. You have to.
I'll just run back
Because
your
it's full of
arms.
science.
That way,
You guys did it. I
But it's for science.
Really?
Little jumping.
No, everything is really accurate. Nothing serious.
Okay, nothing about the way that you did it any lapses.
Where is
No, it's good. Good.
I didn't jump as fast as she ran around.
Stop.
them two are?
That's not
So further notice, of course.
This
Try
hand
on
in the
track.
straw.
That's track.
Yes, in the back there on that table.
You gotta do leg.
Yeah, but that's
Well,
not your stomach.
Exercise quickly before the
Think about
carbon dioxide.
think about it. Okay, so you can start averaging and when you
Come
see
on,
those
let's
done,
I'll
start looking at
exercise
those
quickly.
questions,
I'll
start
exercise
thinking
quickly.
about what is
Now you're not doing
Take
that.
it out
Come on.
calculator to average this.
I think you can do it.
That can time
You
me.
gotta block out the pain.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you gotta be like an athlete for a minute.
Go do it. Wait, what do
I
we do?
found out the girls actually more tolerant to pain than boys.
This is different.
Yeah.
This one. Sure. What are you saying? 90 divided by 3. 30.
Go. Come on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Come on.
3,000 to the chest off.
But then how are we?
6. 3,050.
That's what I was gonna do.
Okay,
Okay, where are we? Well,
Alright, now we
I'm almost, I'm just doing it.
Yeah,
that's sort of in line with
Go right now.
Keep going. Yeah, I can hear.
More exercise. Faster.
one of these days.
You can jog for miles, right?
Go faster. You can't go.
Yeah, that's not vigorous.
Come on, work it out then.
Work out perfect.
Thought you were on track and field.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, I'll start you at
Yeah.
Right.
the 7. Ready?
And don't drop it.
Yeah, you actually can go to 6. Ready?
I'll tell you what.
And go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, this will showing you up.
I am.
Show back.
Here.
She really is way faster than you think. Man, I feel like. Hey, be a man. Isn't that a train?
He's awkward to do. This will lean.
Men don't sweat.
All that vigorous too.
I was. What's today? Vigorously
You were
unvigorous.
gone.
Chemicals are away with the glass.
Come on, you can do this. Ready?
You got 2 seconds. 1 second. You got it?
Yo, you look fine.
Run in circles.
Ready? Start now. Go. Go now. Go. Go.
Run around. Ready?
Kale.
Right. Man, that's like walking.
I don't think I'm ready.
Go faster. No, go back that way.
Look. You gotta make a roadblock. Go that way.
Listen, all right.
40 seconds.
Is that 40
That way, that
seconds?
way.
Okay.
30 seconds.
Let me get more paper time.
Miss,
Going in circles.
oh, can we go to our planning time?
Circles on your breath.
Can we
I
water
hate
our
brown
planning
ones.
time?
I'd like you to wait till the end, but I'm gonna finish this up first.
I hate circles, especially in math.
The circles math are just really annoying.
Do you want us to reset the lab?
Yeah, I'm waiting for 5 seconds.
Okay, attention everybody.
Go, slow.
Okay, attention. If you're still working, stay at it. Looks like everyone is about done. Cleanup will wait till the end of the class. Just cluster things together. You need to get together with your partners and start thinking. Could I do an experiment with this? How? Should I do one with the yeast? How? Okay, how would you alter that to see some sort of difference? While you're getting the numbers together, we're going to put group averages up there, and then we'll come up with the number at the end of class. One more thing. Planting science. You're looking at your seeds growing. When they're below the ground, are they photosynthesizing those seeds?
No.
No. So what are they doing?
Respirate.
They're respirating.
Going.
Aerobic or anaerobic respiration?
Aerobic.
Aerobic is correct. Good. Good.
Keep going.
Okay, work at your lab stations.
5 seconds. You're done.
35,000 divided by 2 will be 1,750.
Questions on the list?
But she said the week, so
I think we're gonna do them.
yeah.
Do you answer the questions?
I guess we could. She didn't say nothing about that part.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, time out. We're on that one already.
Yeah. Describe the question you were trying to answer and the prediction or hypothesis you were testing.
Ours went down.
So we were trying to observe and quantify CO2 production from cellular respiration at rest and after exercise and the organ system. So we were trying to find out if exercising would have an effect on the release of CO2.
yes.
Right, when you were blowing after you did the exercise?
So you divide 20 divided by 20 divided by 20. So this is one.
You got a little bit over.
No, do this one. Do the second one. 40.
So 40 divided by 20 is 2.
And then me is 25 divided by 20.
How I run 100. So just come to practice.
Do you remember what that
We got names. Run around like twice.
Does that mean that I use more oxygen in my muscles?
know what Romano?
That's what that means. That means I did harder exercise. What that means.
Have a bowling call and then this one? Like this one?
That's what the exercise.
Can you use a break?
I'm not, like, I thought I would be the one out of shape.
How'd you do right now?
Everything's 25
go for it.
95.
Are you doing a sport?
Oh,
Now?
and in the fall I did.
40.
Okay, so you should be in pretty good shape. How was your carbon dioxide output there?
25. 42 and a half. 95.
It's going to be like 25.
Does that make sense?
It's
47.
Holly.
Yeah, 27 and a half.
Which one is this?
Oh, okay. How about you, Holly? Do you do
What do you mean, the
regular
first one?
exercise?
Well, it's divided by 2. You got to divide by 2.
We should do triathlon.
You should do athletics like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are all three of you on the track team?
You have the same thing.
I'm just joining. I didn't feel hot.
95. Yeah, do you have a calculator? We got 95 divided by 3.
Here.
That's a hard one.
She's got a calculator.
Here.
So she,
Actually, we have to clean it.
Can we look at our plants?
No, I want you to finish this first.
Does
what
somebody go
about
up there to
these
rate it?
averages?
I don't think you average them. Well, we're the same thing, yeah.
This is average. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. We should check this one out.
Yeah.
So, which one's mine?
Can you look?
Oh, you even did those
Well,
ones.
yeah.
You got this one? This one?
What do you need?
It's that times 100. That times 100. That times the same as this.
Oh yeah, I forgot to do that.
This would be 31.
Yeah. Here, can you write those on mine? I'll go right on the board. Which one?
At rest and after exercise.
This for the group too? Oh.
The group numbers are up there.
So you would add 2 zeros, right?
Miss, I just realized I still have to make up a quiz for you.
Okay.
When should I do that?
Respiration. Yeah. Yeah.
Extra sugar.
Yeah, exactly.
My shirt.
Why did you talk about that? I know.
So it is relatively.
There's 3 zeros there.
But you're looking for. Yeah. We'll see how we're doing. Okay, there's definitely an increase over there. You gotta put up with Okay, you're gonna need to copy information from the board onto your paper. So we need everyone to get their team numbers up there, please.
You got it, maybe.
Yeah, she wrote it, yeah.
We're making exercises.
She said we have to do an experiment based off of the use for this. I figured we could see which exercise.
My shirt.
Maybe this.
Oh, it's on the floor right there.
I misplaced my pencil.
Okay, we're just keeping it the same. So whatever your ML.
Is it over there still?
Okay, everybody, stop for a moment. Stop for a moment. I want you to look at your paper. There's a conversion you might have missed. Okay, 20 drops. People at the board, let me have your attention. The drops, it takes 20 drops. The sodium hydroxide makes up 1 ml. I asked you to measure your drops, but I think a lot of groups didn't do the conversion. Okay, so if you had 20 drops, you had 1 ml. If you had 30 drops, you had 1.5. So go back and look at your numbers and make the adjustment. That's going to change what goes up on the board there. Work it out with your group.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
I had 25, I should have 1.25 milliliters.
25, so 1.25?
Yeah.
30 would be 1.5, so that's right. Yeah, a bunch of people.
15, that would be 0.75.
Right. Yeah.
Got it.
Yep.
No, but I need that. No. I like that one. Okay, just let me see what it is. Let me just try to
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
35 is 1.75, right? 5.
about the other.
Because you already, oh, yeah.
What's this number?
No, just leave it as it is. It's
32.
Okay.
Well,
Quickly, guys. 3.5 divided by 3. Go.
Yeah, I swear.
1.6. What's 5 divided by 3?
Well, the top 10.
I got this.
Okay, group 2, you need to make an adjustment there.
150, 175.
Do you do the same thing?
And AOH.
So I'll be 1 for 20?
Yes, 1 and 0 for 20.
Come on, 6 and 14.
Well, you brought that.
35.
35 is.
This is
25.
No, that's not 25. Yeah, it's 25. Wait, that's 25.
We need to do 31.6.
show me again. Okay, so 25, what did you do? Okay.
66 divided by 3 equals.
Wait,
That's
one
easy.
thing at a time.
21.
This is,
Oh, yeah, that's right.
yeah, 1.25, so this is 25.
It's 22.
Yeah.
It's the first one. That's
Right.
It's before.
Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah, so it looks like that's gonna be one.
160 would be
Yeah.
this. Megan, you have to write these down.
Fix it. Fix it. Okay. Okay.
66 total. Amount?
These 125, 125.
What did I just get
So that's what I put in this column.
That's right. Now this, I think I forgot to do.
That's it. Cross this off.
Yeah, that's the answer.
What do we get?
What? We did it wrong.
Number 2. I just
Yeah, no, you were on. So maybe that's what it was.
All right.
Here. I thought it was 9,000.
Is this it?
No, I thought you exercised it.
That hurts better.
Didn't she?
She needs
Should we tell Casey you're outdated?
All right, you're focused now, everybody. Focus, look up, please. We're getting those numbers together. Make sure you have them. All the group numbers make the average. Now, James, please. Please, Adriana. Turn around, please. Now you need to start talking to your team about how you could alter this lab to make it into an experiment or the yeast one. What might you vary? Okay, there was one person in here who was definitely exercising harder than anybody. Okay, I'm not saying, okay, but that person had the most carbon dioxide generated. What does that mean? How can you vary the intensity? What about, and one of your questions is what about athletes? Are their bodies more efficient so that they don't produce as much carbon dioxide than at rest? How could you test this? Okay, you should be walking out of class with a research question written on the back of this sheet. Which lab are you going to make into an experiment? Are you studying aerobic or anaerobic respiration? Use me, ask me questions, I'll help you. Come up with a question.
What's the matter?
Where do we put the question?
Just put on the back just up here. Okay? We're just starting now.
Hey Tyler, is that purple yours?
No.
Did you put yours up here? Tyler, did you put it up here?
No, purple's number 3.
For which one's ours?
We didn't write it yet.
What? Go check your number.
Number 2.
So you wrote it up here.
No, that's number 3. We didn't write it.
Not everybody has their
There's
data.
no line. It's like messed up.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's messed up?
Well, number 2 didn't write it, and it looks like number 2 is number 3, but
Here we go, I'm putting lines in.
yeah.
Number 3 is.
Number 3 is where
Okay,
number 2.
this is number 3? Is
Yeah.
this 3?
No, that's purple.
This is
Yup.
125. Okay, is this number 3?
Yeah. No. 158.3 is number 3.
Oh, boy.
That was number 2.
Okay,
Can everybody write it again?
Who put number 2?
I think
We didn't write
I will write it down, and you can call it out to me. Okay, then I can give you the numbers tomorrow. Okay, so, listen for your number, please. Group 1 at rest. After exercise. Group 2 at rest.
300.
After exercise.
320.
Group 3 at rest.
125.
Group 3 after exercise.
158.3.
Group 4 at rest. Group 4. Group 4. Okay, group 5.
125.
125. After exercise.
It's not going to be the same.
216. 216.6. Group 6. 150. And after exercise. 175. Okay, group 4. That's you, Sam, no?
Group 6.
Group 6. All right. Group 1, Dan, Holly, Megan. Group 2, Tyler, Darnell, James. Group 3 is Dom, Brianna, Rebecca. Group 4, I have a Sam, Scott, Suzette.
Group 6.
Okay. I'll fix it.
Because you're group 2. That's what you need.
Thank you.
320.
Do I have you as group 6?
Fine.
Okay. Whose group did I not call? Tell me. At rest? Say it again.
87.5.
After exercise.
125.
Okay.
They're going to be group 1.
As long as I have them all. Did I get all the groups? All right. We are running out of time. We have about 2 minutes. I will give you these numbers tomorrow. Okay, make an effort to answer what you can and spend the last 2 minutes talking about an experiment. We'll look at that tomorrow. Attention. Please look up.
I'm not done with
Okay? Tomorrow we'll spend the day on planting science. You'll check out your experiments. You'll do some measurement. Okay, I think everybody's okay for watering the greenhouse, so you should be fine. Okay, are there questions about today? What do you think went really well?
The at rest.
The at-rest, how come?
Because you didn't have to do anything before that.
Okay, right,
That was so hard.
all right. How about the exercise?
I like the exercise differently, so.
Okay, good point.
So that would be like your question, like our lab day, because it's different exercise.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. What was difficult in the lab? Either calculating or technical?
Trying to
Man,
It's hard to breathe.
exercising twice.
I could ever breathe.
How about any sources of error? What might I have done wrong in setting up the lab? The water, okay. I had to mix up the solution for the sodium hydroxide. It's possible.
It's hard to tell if there's going to get rates for everyone, so it's not exact.
Right, okay. So there's a lot of ways. Think of the inconsistencies and you could clean up. See you later.
Bye, Miss Renee.
Bye.